Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to one of our videocasts and podcasts by www.univrm.com. Today is one of our news about science articles titled Tricorders. Star Trek fans familiar with tricorders in today's news about science article. Tricorders, in the original Star Trek and Star Trek Next Generation series, handheld portable devices used for medical and diagnostic purposes. The following is a quick advertisement. Please remember www.univrm.com is offering a new science fiction book series titled Change Hope, released in a series on a chapter-by-chapter and book-by-book basis like the old Amazing Stories magazine. Change Hope, available in all ebook formats and as an audiobook, you can purchase by going to www.univrm.com/downloads/. Engadget, which you can see within the body of our text on the website, released an article on a study from Nature on empirical tests from a group of scientists on photonics. The reference to the full article is on our website. Quoting the Engadget article, a group of scientists from Imperial College London and Singapore's Institute of Materials Research and Engineering have developed a new technique that could have far-reaching impacts for Star Trek fans everywhere. It all involves something known as terahertz, or T-rays, electromagnetic rays that have already been used in full-body airport scanners and have the potential to be used across a much broader range of medical and environmental applications. Because every molecule can be uniquely identified within the terahertz range, these T-rays can be used to pick up on cancerous cells and other biological matter, perhaps even within a tricorder-like scanner. Now Imperial College's Stephen Mayer and his team of scientists say they've found a way to create a stronger beam of T-rays using so-called nano antennas to generate an amplified terahertz field. In fact, this field can produce 100 times more power than other terahertz sources, which could allow for sharper imaging devices. Quote, T-rays promise to revolutionize medical scanning to make it faster and more convenient, potentially relieving patients from the inconvenience of complicated diagnostic procedures and the stress of waiting for accurate results, unquote, Mayer explained. Thanks to modern nanotechnology and nanofabrication, we have made a real breakthrough in the generation of T-rays that takes us a step closer to these new scanning devices. The abstract from Nature at www.nature.com describes the hard science behind the experiments. An efficient room temperature operation continuous wave terahertz source will greatly benefit compact terahertz system development for high resolution terahertz spectroscopy and imaging applications. Here we report highly efficient continuous wave terahertz emissions using nanogap electrodes in a photoconductive antenna based photomixer. The tip-to-tip nanogap electrode structure provides strong terahertz field enhancement and acts as a nano antenna to radiate the terahertz wave generated in the active region of the photomixer. In addition, it provides good impedance matching to the terahertz planar antenna and exhibits a lower RC time constant, allowing more efficient radiation, especially at the higher part of the terahertz spectrum. As a result, the output power of the photomixer with the new nanogap electrode structure in the active region is 2 orders of magnitude higher than for a photomixer with typical interdigitated electrodes. The terahertz emission bandwidth also increased by a factor of more than 2. You can reference the entire article on our blog. And yet another advertising plug. Once again, please remember www.univrm.com offers a new science fiction book series titled Change Hope, released in a series on a chapter-by-chapter and book-by-book basis like the old Amazing Stories magazine. Change Hope available in all ebook formats and as an audiobook. which can be purchased by going to www.univrm.com/downloads/. You can listen to this article via podcast at the iTunes Store by subscribing to the univrm.com podcast. You can also listen or subscribe to our articles via videocast or podcast on YouTube on the UNIVRM channel. This has been a videocast and podcast brought to you by www.univrm.com, and we hope to bring you more videocasts and podcasts in future.